There are many products available to choose smelling laundry detergents, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best-smelling laundry detergents from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Persil ProClean Original. We loved the flowery fragrance as soon as we opened the bottle of Persil's ProClean liquid laundry detergent. It's not overwhelming, but it was strong enough to offer a subtle aroma after the dry cycle. The clothes felt soft after laundering, with no sticky coating on it. The t-shirt and towel came out wrinkle-free, but we can't say the same for the linen napkin. As with many of the best-smelling detergents on our list, you'll need to pre-treat any stains before using Persil ProClean. It worked fairly well on chocolate, and even the jojoba oil stain. But it only faded the other stains. The biggest struggle was the wine stain. It actually bled through to the back of the shirt, and the chlorophyll, which remained quite dark. Aside from laundry mishaps like that, Persil will work quite well for sweet-smelling everyday loads. Number 2. Gain Original Liquid Laundry Detergent. We liked the sweet smell of the Gain laundry detergent that had floral and fruity notes. It actually reminded us of Wrigley's juicy fruit gum. You can smell it when you take it out of the wash, and what's even better is that the clothes emerged soft and fluffy with just a few wrinkles. We liked how easy it was to dispense the right amount for each load. It works out to be around 19 cents per load, which we thought was a good value overall. Aside from fragrance, the stain fight powers were impressive. The chocolate stain was removed completely from the white and gray shirts, but it actually removed it from the napkin too, which was quite the feat. Gain also made a valiant effort with the wine and foundation stains, although neither were completely removed. The grass and sauce stains faded a bit, but the oil remained. Number 3. Caldrea Sea Salt plus Neroli Laundry Detergent. There's nothing quite like the smell of clean laundry, and the Caldrea liquid laundry detergent offers just that. During testing, we liked the light and fresh scent of the detergent, which we didn't find overpowering. Even though there were a few stains remaining on our clothing, we couldn't smell their original scents. This liquid detergent was able to remove the wine and hot chocolate stains from the cotton shirt, though the foundation and pasta sauce stains still lingered. The oil stain was removed from the athletic shirt but could still be seen on the cotton option. The stains were also visible on the towels. However, given that none of these stains were pre-treated, we thought the detergent still worked reasonably well. All the garments felt soft and pliable post-wash except for the linen napkin, though that's to be expected given the material. Number 4. Nellie's Laundry Detergent Soda. The light fragrance of Nellie's laundry detergent soda was quite pleasant, and it left a subtle scent on the linen. The rest of the clothes merely smelled clean. Everything came out feeling soft and pliable, and the washcloth especially was fluffy. There weren't many wrinkles either, even on the linen napkin, which we appreciated. While it didn't seem immediately clear where you should place the detergent, the brand notes that you can either place it in the machine's dispenser or directly into the drum. The clothes seemed clean after a wash, but with the exception of the chocolate, the stains themselves were only lightened, not removed. The oil stain had the next best performance, but you could still see the outline even though the rest disappeared. The linen napkin was the main casualty of the wash. Even the chocolate stain wasn't removed. However, keep in mind that these stains were not pre-treated with a stain remover. Number 5. Tide Pods Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent. These Tide Pods have a light, clean scent that's not at all overpowering. However, we noticed quickly that pre-treatment is necessary for stains when using them. While the stains were all lessened to some degree, they were still visible. The chocolate stain faded the most, but even then we could still see the outline. Aside from any residual stains, the clothes came out smelling fresh and feeling less stiff. The shirts had come out with a bit of a coating on them that disappeared after another wash. As expected, the linen came out wrinkled, but the other clothes fared rather well. We like that the pods make it easy to add the right amount of detergent per load. Although knowing what we know now about their stain-fighting power, we will definitely pre-treat and even add an extra pod to the wash next time. The pods are pricier than others on the list, working out to be about 25 cents a load. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.